Hello, good afternoon. My name is Cindy Inés González Cuellar, and the name of my partner is Cintia Saray Ortega Mata, and today our topic is about the importance of vaccines. Well, first of all, it's important to define what are vaccines, and the vaccines are biological substances that help protect humans and other organisms like pets or cattle, for example. And why vaccines protect against disease? Well, vaccines contain parts of microbes or intermicrobes that have been weakened, so creating an antibody response, memory response, without producing actual disease. So the vaccines are so important because prevent more than 20 life-threatening diseases and between 3.5 and 5 million deaths each year. Now we turn to types of vaccines, and the first is inactivated vaccines that use the dead version of the bacterium that causes the disease. And the second type is live attenuated vaccines that use the weakened form of the bacteria that cause the disease. And the third type of vaccines is messenger RNA vaccines, and the viruses are manufactured in a laboratory by genetic engineering, and recently has been used for make the vaccines for the coronavirus. The fourth type is subunit recombinant polysaccharide and conjugate vaccines that use the specific parts of the bacteria like proteins, sugars, and lipids, for example. And the last type is toxic vaccines that use a toxin found in the bacteria that cause the disease. And it's important to say that vaccines are safe because all vaccines that are developed undergo several trials and tests in a laboratory, and it can take up 6 years for a vaccines to be approved.
Despite all the tests performed and the safety of vaccines, many people decide not to get vaccinated. That this can be more dangerous because increased risk of contracting infections because the body works only with natural defenses. In addition, if many people decide not to get vaccinated, it will be easier for the disease to spread and there will be no herd immunity. There are many myths about vaccines, such as vaccines cause autism or contain mercury. It has even been said they weaken the immune system. However, it has been proved through scientific studies that this information is false and erroneous. Vaccines have been around for a long time, and now diseases that used to kill or incapacitate many people are no longer present or have been reduced by 99%, such as measles and diphtheria. However, if people stop getting vaccinated, it's possible for diseases to spread rapidly again. Getting vaccinated brings more advantages than disadvantages, protecting both oneself and the community around us, including the future generations. Similarly, vaccines help reduce antibiotic use and antibiotic resistance. Therefore, it's important to be informed and research about vaccines and how they work.